Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today with me I have this Crompton deck here. So this is 48 inches brown. This is the label. This is same like my previous deck here, but this has all original parts. So see, original download but rusted. Hand logo canopies. It's not in the best of shape, but let's. This is the original winding, good capacitor, some local capacitor. I'll replace this. So now we'll assemble the fan. We'll install it. So guys, the deck here is finally installed. You can see blades are badly bent. I'll fix that. I'll test run it first now. See the original golden download. Let's test it. What the joke is this? Looks like a faulty capacitor, so I'll clean the fan and change the capacitor. So guys, I changed the capacitor and cleaned the fan. You can see new capacitor is Tipcon oil, old one is this bullshit. So let's turn on the fan. So guys, let's start the fan. So if you don't know, this is my second deck here. First one was little bit better in condition, but no. Let's see how this one works. It has a brand new capacitor. Nice RPM, good airflow, but wobbly. Let's power it off. Bearings are in good condition. See the hand over there. At least this has its original parts, at least, like my favorite golden download and the original canopies. So guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video coming really soon.